There is a $30 not deposit bonus provided by a broker here, guys, and the broker is Atropy. Probably I'm going to provide the link down in the video description. And if you guys love these videos of no deposit bonus, just give us a thumb up. I want to explain everything here about the broker and about the no deposit bonus and probably the withdrawal and also the regulation of the broker as usual. As you can see, I'm just reading on a website here which was published about 2 days ago. This is a $30 no deposit bonus. It's given in a limited time, and we are not sure about the expiration date when it's gonna end. So it's probably running 2 days ago, and it would go probably up to December as indicated. So all you have to do just register on the website. I'm going to show you how to register there, and then you have to verify your email and also your KYC that you know your customer, and by uploading the proof of identity and so on, and then by claiming the bonus you have to be verified and open an MT5 account, and then the bonus will be automatically credited to your account. As you can see, that's how it looks like. Some screenshots here, I'm receiving some screenshots here, guys, and as you can see, people are receiving it and just like that. So they are even saying if you are having a problem with getting your $30 not deposit bonus, so you have just to send them a request through their assistance email, so they will check that up to you. This is the information of regulation, guys. You can see the broker is regulated here in United Arab Emirates, and also having offices in Singapore, Ukraine, United Kingdom, and New Zealand, and is a trade name of Atropy LLC, registered in Saint Vincent. As you can see, the government registered. The information is here with the number and email also and everything. And they have also a Facebook account. But it's not a problem right now. Let's just go check how to register on the website. There's a member area here. That's where you start, guys. And as you can see, you have to choose your language. Just above there, there is a prompt to choose the language. And I'm just gonna use individual because I'm going to sign up as individual, not as a corporate. And probably gonna load up this whole thing that you're gonna fill in a few minutes. You have just to fill your name here, your country address and email, also plus your number and password, and repeat the password. Click agree, then you continue. They will send you an email straight to your email box. Just click the link that you're gonna receive through your email, and once you click the link, then you just fill up all information that is required, verify your account, and then create an MT5 account, and you're gonna receive your $30 not deposit bonus, guys. And this not deposit bonus might be helpful. Just try. There are no terms and condition yet. I can't access the terms and condition about the withdrawal and so on, but so there is no bad reviews about it. So you should just maybe sign up straight and try getting this bonus, guys, and see if it's gonna work out. You never know. So thank you guys for watching, and see you again on the next video.